UW Health also celebrating a major milestone today. The Transplant Center announcing it's now performed 20,000 organ transplants. This milestone comes more than 5 decades after surgeons performed the first kidney transplant at UW back in 1966. Wisconsin Rapids native Gary Grosclose was the lucky recipient after having a successful simultaneous pancreas kidney transplant on February 20th. He says the procedure has given him a chance at a new life, and he's forever thankful for the donor.
I can't ever in a million words explain how much gratitude for the family for giving me a better life.
Officials say this makes UW Health the first in the Midwest to surpass 20,000 organ transplants and the 4th in the nation. More information on how you can become a living organ donor can be found on UW Health's website.